Workflows are a powerful process management tool that makes the document review process structured, simple and consistent. Keep reviewers on track with the right timelines, instructions and defined outcomes. Whether you're a reviewer or process admin, Workflows is all about making reviews easier. Document reviews can get messy and complicated. There's a whole lot of back and forth, and sometimes you can find yourself working across multiple systems, inboxes, documents and folders. It can also be unclear what the next steps are and who's meant to be involved. Does Jim need to be part of the design review, or would it be better to get Priya to have a look? You're trying to keep tabs on everything. What's the status? Who's holding us up? Is everyone following the right process? How do I track and log our reviews? In ACONEX, Workflows allows you to create a series of predefined steps and flows for a document to go through. So whether it's Jim or Priya, everyone is connected and the way forward is always clear. Workflows give you the flexibility to create customized templates for any documentation that needs to be reviewed, approved and tracked. With the online viewer, markups and stamps are easily added to documents as they move through the review process. Need to check the status of your workflows? ACONEX Reports has you covered with predefined or customizable reports at your fingertips. Our templates take the guesswork and ambiguity out of your review process so things flow smoothly and efficiently. So how does it work? Like the best things in life, it's pretty simple. Let's start by creating the template. Admin users with permissions can set up a workflow template that defines every step in the review process for any type of document. Predetermine who reviews when and how long they have to review before passing it down the line. Users with permission can kick off a workflow. They become the initiator. The initiator manages the document through the process, so they have some extra tools to keep things flowing smoothly. For example, they can reassign a step to someone else or even terminate the workflow entirely if it's a start again situation. Once the process has started, ACONEX guides users through the workflow, so you and your team will always know what documents you need to review and how to review them. Reviewing is easy with the online viewer. Add comments, attach files and create markups on the document. Or you can simply upload an updated file if that's your organisation process. If your review needs to go through its own mini review, no problem. There are sub-workflows for those more intricate review processes. Once your review is done, submit it with an outcome status such as approved or rejected, and this determines what happens next in the process based on the template rules. Every comment and outcome for each reviewer becomes a part of the audit trail, so it's easy to keep track of statuses and catch bottlenecks before they become problems. ACONEX workflows are designed to make your review processes easy to manage, whether you're a creator or a reviewer.